Om Namah Shivaya. Here there is totally 12 sets of Goddess Mahalakshmi conchs. It is rarest huge size collection of Goddess Mahalakshmi conchs. By having these 12 numbers of Goddess Mahalakshmi conchs in your place, you will welcome Goddess Mahalakshmi to your home or your office, and you will get huge success in your business and huge profit in your business. It's a beautiful Goddess Mahalakshmi conch. Welcome Goddess Mahalakshmi conch to your place. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. All conches are huge size Goddess Mahalakshmi conch. Such a size is very rare to collect and very powerful. Welcome Goddess Mahalakshmi to your place. You can have a set of 12. There is a set of 12. You can have a set of 12 in your place to welcome Goddess Mahalakshmi to your place and get huge success in your business. Such amazing quantities, very rare to collect. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.